Hello and welcome to Engineering State of Mind, a place where we elaborate engineering aspects in a simple and understandable way. This is my first video. Please stick with me, and I assure you, I'll do to the best of my ability to create good content to suit your needs. The channel will be all about engineering, and I'll make sure to explain with different videos and less complicated jargon and only necessary mathematics on how different things work by animations and how-to videos. My first video will be all about parts of an aircraft. Now let's get to it. Aircraft is a masterpiece of engineering which dates back to the first flight by the Wright brothers. It was the first successful flight, and the Wright brothers discovered it by watching birds. From then till now, there has been a change in some elements of aircraft design. But here lies some questions. What are the parts of an aircraft? What makes an aircraft fly? Today, we shall cover the first question. What are the parts of an aircraft? Please stay tuned, for next time we shall cover Bernoulli's principle, theory of flight, and what makes an aircraft fly. Now, without further ado, let's get to it. What are the parts of an aircraft? Fuselage. This is the front and main body of an aircraft. It holds crew, passengers and cargo. That means it runs from the cockpit to the cabin that holds passengers or goods. Jet engine. This is the engine that causes forward motion, i.e. thrust that moves an aircraft forward. This is a gas turbine type and can be classified as turboshaft for helicopters, turbojet for jets, turboprop for propeller-driven aircraft, and in our case turbofan due to the fan in front. Empennage. This is the rear and back part of an aircraft that holds the tail. It holds the vertical stabilizer and horizontal stabilizer and some control surfaces. The empennage is considered a safe place in case of a crash. Therefore, the two special black boxes, the cockpit voice recorder and flight data recorder, are stored there. Landing gear. This is the undercarriage of an aircraft and is used mainly for supporting an aircraft when on ground. It moreover takes care of the aircraft landing and takeoff procedures. In some aircraft, it is retractable. Nose. This is the foremost part of an aircraft with a cone shape that assists in aerodynamics and reduces drag. It holds the aircraft electronic gadgets like weather radar and pitot tubes. Spoilers. This is the component of the aircraft or secondary control surface found in both wings that is used to reduce lift. It is also known as lift damper or lift spoiler. It spoils the streamline flow by moving the plates normally located on top of the wing upwards, therefore interrupting aerodynamics and causing a lift dump. They may be classified as ground or roll/flight spoilers. Ground spoilers are used in landing for decreasing landing ability without increasing speed. Roll and flight spoilers are used in aircraft to create reduction in speed of aircraft and assist in roll. Rudder. This is the primary control surface that tends to produce a yaw action of rotation. It is mounted on the vertical stabilizer on top and is movable. The rudder may be used with other control surfaces to assist aircraft's motion. Winglet. This is a superb aircraft component that is used to reduce drag and increase range of cruise, thereby increasing fuel effectiveness. Aileron. It's a movable primary control surface that is found on both sides of the wings. The different wing ailerons move in opposite direction to create a roll or bank movement of the aircraft. They can be classified as low-speed ailerons and high-speed ailerons. Low-speed ailerons are outboard control surfaces and are used at low speeds. High-speed ailerons are inboard control surfaces and are used at high speeds. Cockpit. This is the compartment that the pilot and co-pilot control the aircraft from. It is also known as flight deck, and it holds most of the aircraft controls. Below it is another compartment that holds more avionic systems not found on the cockpit. Flaps. These are Secondary control surfaces are classified into two: the leading and trailing edge flaps. They extend downwards and are needed for increasing lift. Slats. These are secondary control surfaces used in a similar way as flaps, and they also extend downwards. They are found in the front of the wing. Elevator. This is another primary control surface that creates a pitch movement in an aircraft. It is found in the horizontal stabilizer and is movable. And well, now to sum it all up, the main primary control surfaces in some aircraft may contain some trim tabs that are used in stabilizing the aircraft axis of rotation. Something else to note is that the main fuel tanks, the reserve tanks, and the vent tanks are located at the wings at the horizontal stabilizer. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, and please click on the bell for notification. Thanks again. See you next time.